Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm making a soft pink cake for my doll's best friend's wedding, so let's begin together. First, we take some eggs and gently add them into a small pan. We mix everything slowly and carefully until the cake batter becomes smooth and perfect. Soon, the batter is ready. The little doll then lights the stove with care and starts baking the cake. After a while, she places the cake neatly into a dish and sets it aside. Once the cake is resting, she begins tidying up her home. She cleans the small space, waters the flowers, and holds a basket full of fresh blooms in her hands. She sits quietly for a moment, breathing in their sweet fragrance and enjoying the calm. After that, she goes back to check on the cake to see if it's ready. When the cake is perfectly baked, she starts decorating it beautifully. She adds delicate details and turns it into a lovely wedding cake. Now dressed up in a beautiful sari, she looks elegant and happy. With the cake in one hand and flowers in the other, she sets off to her friend's home. When she arrives, the house is full of guests and warm celebrations. Everyone is happy, and the wedding atmosphere feels magical and full of love.